Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So what you need to do, you just need to tap on this three dot, tap on it. Now tap on settings, tap on it. Now I just need to go to privacy, tap on it. Once in the privacy guys, if you want to get voice chat, you just need to tap on this microphone. Next, in the first option, just tap on this toggle button here. Just tap on it on this toggle button to enable the microphone from here. Just tap on it to enable and disable. So I just need to enter my code to change it, and once you enable it guys, from here just come out of the game and open any game. Like I'm gonna show you on my any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's play this game to check our voice chat feature.